It has never been easier to invest in Houston real estate. So whether you are a local person, out of state investor, or you are out of the country investors, because in this video I will show you exactly why now is the right time for you to get started with your Houston real estate investing, and how everyday professionals, including doctors, engineers, and CPAs, and even busy parents are building wealth through Houston rental real estate. And the funniest thing is that they are doing this with less time, less stress, less money than most people think you need. So you might be asking, why Houston and why should I take action right now? I'm going to actually start with the fact. Houston or Texas generally has no state income tax, which is a big plus, which means you save more of your money. We also have lower home prices as compared to your other major metros like your California, your New York, your Atlanta, Georgia, even some part of Carolinas. Another thing is that we have a strong job sector here, like your healthcare, your manufacturing, your tech jobs, and your logistics. In 2025, Houston is projected to add over 6,000 new jobs, and the median home price is still under $300,000, which is far more affordable than cities like your Austin, Dallas, and Miami. According to Roof Stock Market reports, Houston has consistently ranked as the top 5 for real estate investing in 2025 and beyond, and actually they want you to actually invest right now before you miss the boat. So you might be asking, hey Wale, what has changed in 2025 that could have made it so easier to invest in the Houston market? The number one is the technology and the remote access. Platforms like your Roof Stocks, your PropStream, your Zillow, Redfin, and my own investment tools has allowed you to analyze deals remotely with full data at your fingertips. You can easily see the cash flow, the cap rate, the crime rates, the renter comparable, and even the renter demand in a neighborhood, so you can make your decision without leaving your house. And this has made it so easy that you don't even need to be a local or live in Houston for you to invest in Houston real estate. The number 2 reason why it has changed a lot is the creative financings is now in the mainstream. Today's investors are now buying with DSCR loan, which means no income verification. They are also using HELOC and home equity from their primary home to buy rental property. They are doing the partnership model to buy property. They are even using 3.5% FHA down payment to buy duplexes. Plus, they are getting the expert support from a lot of investors agents. The best part is that you don't have to do it all alone, because I have built end-to-end solution of a real estate team in Houston to help you start, plan, and actually execute your real estate investing strategies. Myself and my team are agents who actually know about real estate investing, and we are real estate investors on our own as well. We also have property managers that will help you manage your property. We have local lenders, we have contractors, we have insurance broker, we have tax professionals, we have attorneys that can make your life so easier. So if you want passive income, we want to help you and we want to be part of your team. Now, here's a quick example of one of my clients that just helped. I will give you 2 or 3 examples right here. So he's a busy professional and he crushed it with Houston real estate recently. So one of them is Victor. He's an engineer from Calgary, Canada, out of the country, you can say. He bought a triplex remotely in 2024 and is cash flowing around $780 every single month. He's self-managing the property using Hemlin.com, which I always recommend, and he has not received any single phone call from tenants in the last 6 months. Also, since he has closed in the 6 months ago, he has not even visited the property because the property is a new construction and is running itself. The second client I will share example with you is Vanessa. Vanessa is an HR manager based in Katy, Texas. She bought a duplex for $310,000 with only 5% down. She lives in one of the units and she rent out the other side for $1,450 per month. Her net housing cost is now $150 every month, and she used to rent for around $3,000 before I help her implement this strategy. So as you can see, these are real people, busy professionals with no background in real estate, but they simply follow the systems I gave them, and of course with my support, they were able to successfully implement the system. And I can do the same thing for you as well if you are ready to take action. So here is how I actually made it easy for someone like you. What I offer makes Houston investing hands-off and stress-free for as much as you want to make it stress-free for yourself. We analyze the property for you and tell you the cash flow and the return on investment. We source for the property for you because we are investor-friendly, real estate broker. We are also your local boot on the ground. We help you to save you from the bad neighborhood, from bad zip code, from buying a flood zone. We help you to avoid all this one. And again, you're going to be saved as much as you want to be saved. We also help you to do the rental. I gave you my rental calculator and tell you the projection of what the property will look like in the next 2 to 3 years to come. Now, I also have pre-vetted contractors, lenders, property managers, CPA, real estate attorneys, among other professionals you will need. Plus, I have guidance on how to set up your LLC and structure your property portfolio. We call it property architecture, so that way you can know that you are setting up yourself for a success multiple years to come. So whether you are in Houston or Austin or California or Nigeria or even in Canada or United Kingdom, you will get a full service investing experience with myself and my team. Again, we are real estate investors ourselves. We help you, we guide you, and we protect your investment as if it's my own investment. So if you're wondering, should I wait for the rates to drop or the markets to crash or something to change? Here is what I will tell you. Waiting is not a strategy. Smart investors are buying right now. They are getting the best deal they can get, and they are using sellers' credit to reduce their closing costs. They are also using adjustable loans with long-term fixed terms. They are also doing a loan assumption. They are defining their buy box, and they are really sticking to their buy box, because if you don't have a buy box, it's a recipe for you making a lot of mistakes and actually making a loss on the investment. Now, while they are also doing all these things, they are also being careful to make sure they analyze the property correctly to make sure it cash flow from day one. So even with 7% interest rate, I am still buying real estate, and my clients are still buying real estate. Why, you might ask? Because we are investing for the long term, and we are buying the smart way. We are analyzing the property to make sure that it cash flow from day one and not in the year 2 or year 3 to come. So if you are serious about building wealth through real estate in 2025 without flipping houses, without wholesaling, without complicated real estate investing strategy, without even working 80 hours a week, now is the best time to start, and I want to help you. I am Wale Lawal. I'm a real estate investor broker based in Houston, Texas, and I've helped multiple people like you, from regular people to professionals to high net worth individuals, and I want to help you as well. You can easily book a strategy consultation on my calendar. You will find the link to my calendar in the description below. We're going to have a Zoom meeting and discuss your situation and strategize on what is the best approach for you to take going next. And if you follow those plans, in the next 60 to 90 days, you're going to become a rental property owner, and you'll be happy and tell your friends and family about your experience of working with me. Now, if you find value in this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel so I can let you know the next time I have a new video. Before you go, I want you to actually watch this video where I walk you through how to buy your first or your next rental property step by step without all the rookie mistakes that I have made, that a lot of people I know of has made. So you can avoid all those mistakes by watching the video here. You'll find a lot of value there. Thank you so much. I will see you in the video. Bye bye.